Hey everyone! Y'all welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into something I'm just so passionate about, home decor. And let me tell you, 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. We're seeing fresh takes on minimalist living, exciting global influences, and a real emphasis on creating spaces that truly feel like home. Remember when we spent most of our time within our own four walls? It made us realize just how important having a cozy, meaningful space really is. Experts are calling it a shift towards emotional design. Think spaces that are both functional and filled with things that truly speak to us. It's not just about what looks good, it's about what feels good. We're seeing eco-friendly materials taking center stage, because a beautiful home should also be a responsible one. And get this, color psychology is playing a starring role in design choices. Imagine picking a color palette that doesn't just look pretty, but actually makes you feel calmer and more creative. How amazing is that? Designers are also focusing on personal comfort now more than ever. They're blending sustainability, wellness, and beauty to create spaces that are as good for the soul as they are for the eyes. So are you ready to see what 2025 has in store? Let's jump right in. Now, y'all know I love a good dose of modern farmhouse charm, but let me tell you, organic modernism is stealing my heart these days. It's all about pairing that clean, minimalist look we love with the warmth and textures of nature. Think sleek lines, natural wood finishes, and maybe a touch of stone. What I love most about this trend is how it really brings the outdoors in. Imagine big windows that flood your home with natural light, cozy nooks filled with lush plants. It's like inviting nature to be a part of your home. It's about creating a space that feels both sophisticated and grounded. And honestly, who wouldn't want that? Speaking of warmth, let's talk about color. In 2025, it's all about those earthy, grounding tones that make you instantly feel at peace. Think warm terracotta, calming sage green, maybe even a touch of deep ochre or burnt orange. These colors are like a warm hug for your home. What's so special about this palette is its versatility. You can go bold with a statement wall or keep it subtle with textiles and accessories. It all comes down to layering those colors and textures to create a space that feels personal and inviting. Trust me, your home will feel like a serene sanctuary in no time. Remember when everything was all sharp angles and straight lines? Well, hold on to your hats because 2025 is all about embracing the curve. We're seeing this trend pop up everywhere, from sofas and armchairs to lighting and decor. Those soft organic shapes just add a touch of whimsy and flow to a space, don't they? And the best part is, curvy furniture isn't just stylish, it's also incredibly inviting. Imagine sinking into a plush armchair with a good book. It's all about creating those little moments of comfort and joy throughout your home. And who wouldn't want their home to be a haven of comfort and style? Walls are like blank canvases just begging for some personality. And in 2025, it's all about adding depth and texture to those canvases. Think beyond paint and wallpaper. We're talking textured plaster, exposed brick, even three-dimensional wall panels. This trend is all about making your walls tell a story. Imagine running your hand over a rough-hewn plaster finish or feeling the coolness of natural stone. It's about engaging all your senses and creating a truly immersive experience in your home. Remember how we talked about organic modernism bringing the outdoors in? Well, biophilic design takes it to a whole new level. It's about incorporating elements of nature into our homes to improve our well-being. Think living walls, indoor water features, even just strategically placed plants throughout your space. The idea is to create a space that feels connected to nature, even when you're surrounded by four walls. And there's something so calming and rejuvenating about being surrounded by greenery, isn't there? It's good for the soul and good for the environment. A win-win in my book. You know how much I love giving old pieces a new lease on life, and in 2025, it's not just about the charm, it's about being conscious of our impact on the planet. Upcycling and vintage finds are taking center stage, and I couldn't be more thrilled. There's just something so special about incorporating pieces with history and character into your home. Imagine a beautifully restored antique dresser or a vintage rug that tells a story. It's about creating a space that feels collected over time, full of pieces you truly love. Plus, it's a beautiful way to reduce waste and give new life to forgotten treasures. For those of you who love a little more personality in their decor, maximalism is back in a big way. But hold on, this isn't your grandma's maximalism. It's about embracing bold colors, patterns, and textures, but doing it in a way that feels curated and personal. Think gallery walls filled with art that speaks to you, shelves overflowing with books and treasures from your travels. It's about surrounding yourself with things you love and letting your personality shine through. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and eras. It's all about creating a space that feels uniquely you. Now let's talk tech. In 2025, smart home technology is getting even smarter, and more importantly, it's blending seamlessly with our design aesthetic. We're talking voice-activated lighting, hidden charging stations, even appliances that can be controlled from your phone. Imagine dimming the lights and turning on some relaxing music with just your voice, or having your coffee maker start brewing before your feet even hit the floor. It's about creating a space that's both functional and stylish, where technology enhances your life without taking over. Why should the indoors have all the fun? In 2025, we're blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, creating seamless transitions and extending our living spaces into nature. Think comfortable outdoor furniture, outdoor kitchens and dining areas, even fireplaces and fire pits to keep you cozy year-round. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee on a cozy patio surrounded by lush greenery, or hosting a dinner party under the stars. It's about creating a space that feels like an extension of your home, a place where you can relax, recharge, and connect with nature. And finally, we come to the heart of 2025 home decor trends, creating spaces that nourish our well-being and make us feel truly at home. This is where it all comes together. The colors, textures, the way furniture is arranged. It's all about creating a space that feels good to be in. Think about how you want to feel in each room of your home. Do you want your bedroom to feel like a serene oasis? Your living room to be a cozy and inviting space for gathering? It's about making intentional design choices that support your emotional well-being. Exploring the world of 2025 home decor has shown us one thing for sure. Our homes are more than just places to live. They're canvases for our stories. They're where we gather with loved ones, where we find peace and rejuvenation, and where we express our unique personalities. This year, it's all about embracing what makes you feel at home, whether that's surrounding yourself with nature, incorporating vintage charm, or adding pops of color and personality. And remember, these trends are just a starting point. Don't be afraid to put your own spin on things and create a space that truly reflects who you are. So go ahead, get creative, and let your home be a reflection of your heart and soul. I can't wait to see what you dream up.